Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite Maybelline products. Not just that, I will also create a full face of makeup using these products. मैं आप लोगों को काफी सारे options दूंगी, so what you can do is that आप अपने accordingly choose कर पाएंगे. और Amazon पे इस समय चल रही है Great Indian Festival Sale. आपको वहाँ पर variety of products मिल जाएंगे Maybelline के, और इन सभी products पे डिस्काउंट है, तो आपके पैसे भी बचेंगे. सब लोग बोलते हैं कि फेस्टिवल्स में जो है पैसे की बहुत खपत होती है, बट आई पर्सनली फील दैट इफ यू फाइंड अ राइट वेबसाइट, विच इन दिस केस आई वुड रिकमेंड Amazon, तो आप जाकर वहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं. आपकी बहुत सारी सेविंग्स भी हो जाएंगी, प्लस क्योंकि डिलीवरी बहुत फास्ट है तो आपको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करते हुए ही घर पे शॉपिंग करने की फैसिलिटी मिल रही है. उससे अच्छा क्या होगा, राइट? स्टार्ट विद द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज अ प्राइमर. नाउ Maybelline में आपको प्राइमर्स में बहुत सारी अवेलेबिलिटी है, बट माय पर्सनल फेवरेट इज दिस वन. दिस इज देयर Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Skin Primer. Now this comes in another variant which is perfect for combination to oily skin, so accordingly you can pick the product एज पर योर स्किन टाइप. अगर आपकी ड्राई स्किन है तो आप ये ड्यूई वाला चुन सकते हैं. अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है तो इसी में ऑयली वेरिएंट भी आता है, आप उसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बाय द वे, आई एम मेंशनिंग बोथ द प्राइसेस, द MRP एंड द सेल प्राइस, सो दैट यू कैन सी how much money you're going to save if you go for Great Indian Festival Sale. This product would be a foundation. Now I don't think it's a surprise that I really like this Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation. This now comes with a pump as well, तो अगर आपको पंप वाला ऑप्शन चाहिए वो भी Amazon पे अवेलेबल है. इसकी सबसे खास बात ये है कि ये ज़्यादातर स्किन टाइप्स को केटर करती है. इसमें अच्छा खासा एक शेड रेंज है, जिसकी वजह से आपको अपना शेड चुनने में बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. इसका जो टेक्सचर है बहुत क्रीमी है. एक बार आप ग्लाइड करते हैं तो बहुत इजीली ये ब्लेंड हो जाएगा स्पंज और ब्रश दोनों की मदद से. सो इफ यू हैव स्पंज इन योर किट, यू डोंट हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ ब्रश सेपरेटली. आप उससे भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास ब्रश है तो आप उससे भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही उम्दा फाउंडेशन है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बेस, दिस विल लास्ट फॉर अबाउट 6 hours, which is why I will recommend this to anybody who is looking for a long lasting base. Of course, if you have oily skin, you have to set your base, for which I am going to give you an option. But yes, if you are looking for an even base, then definitely check out Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Next would be a concealer. The concealer that I have is this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Now this is again not a surprise. I really like this to conceal my dark circles. अगर आपको कहीं पर भी blemishes, dark circles है तो आप इससे कवर कर सकते हैं, और इसका भी स्टेइंग पावर लाजवाब है. Like I don't think I have another adjective. Lajawab is the only word that strikes my mind right now, because this particular concealer does last throughout the day. Again, you can blend it with the help of a brush or a blender. I personally like to use it with the help of a beauty blender, and I really like that it has this sponge applicator, so I just dab it under my eyes. You just have to twist the product and it will come out, and then you can dab it under your eyes and blend it with the help of your beauty tool. अगर आप मेरा कंसीलर शेड पूछेंगे तो वो है कैरमल, क्योंकि अगर आप देखेंगे मेरे चेहरे का स्किन टोन और मेरे अंडर आई का स्किन टोन अलग है. मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स बहुत इंटेंस हैं, लेकिन अभी आप देख सकते हैं वो पूरी तरह से कवर हो रखे हैं. तो आप इस कंसीलर को डेफिनेटली देख सकते हैं. इस पे भी बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट अवेलेबल है. देन नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट वुड बी अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. व्हाट अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर डज इज दैट इट सेट्स योर मेकअप. आप जब हंसते हैं, आप फोटोज खींचते हैं, आप जब काम करते हैं तो थोड़ी बहुत स्वेटिंग हम सभी को होती है, लाफ लाइन सभी को बनती है. उसको एक जगह पर सटाने के लिए, ताकि आपका जो मेकअप है इट डजंट बज throughout the day, you need a compact powder. So I would suggest Maybelline Matte+Poreless compact powder. My shade is Sun Beige, which is 310. As a compact, and then it also has a mirror and an applicator, so it becomes very easy if you are on the go. इसकी खास बात ये है कि इसका स्टेइंग पावर बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि इसकी फिनिश मैट है. तो ये जहां पर भी आप क्रीमी कंसिस्टेंसी वाला प्रोडक्ट लगाएंगे उसको एकदम बैठा देगा, एंड थ्रू आउट द डे आपको कहीं पर भी क्रैक्स वगैरह नहीं आएंगे. ऑब्वियसली अगर फेस्टिव सीजन है, सो वी नीड समथिंग विच इज कलरफुल, और वो कलर जो है हम अपनी गालों की लाली पर लगाते हैं. सो फॉर दैट वी नीड अ ब्लश. आई वुड रिकमेंड दिस पर्टिकुलर पैलेट ऑफ Maybelline. दिस is their Master Contour by Face Studio face contouring kit. It does have one contour, one blush and a highlighter. So the blush in this particular palette is perfect for my skin tone. As you can see, this is what I'm wearing right now and it looks so natural and beautiful. It has a matte finish, but still it does not exaggerate my pores, and that's the best part about this blush. And then talking about the contour in this particular palette, I can use it as bronzer plus contour. So you can see this is what I've used today, and you can just use it to structure your face in case you are into contouring. And for highlighter, you can always use it for the high points of your face. So it's a very easy to go palette. I think these are very beginners friendly palette, and plus the good part is that you don't have to buy everything separately, and these will be travel friendly. Obviously festive season is incomplete without glows, so for highlighters I am giving you two options. If you have dry skin, I would suggest checking out this particular highlighter from Maybelline. This is their Master Strobing Cream. It comes in two shades. This is great for people who have dry skin. You can just apply it with the help of a blender or a brush on high points of your face. But in case you are into very strong and beaming highlighter, I would suggest this particular highlighter. This one is again from Maybelline and it's in the shade Molten Gold. Molten Gold is perfect if you are medium to deeper skin tone. I mean, you can see it's on my face today and it's very strong highlighter. So if you like to glow, then definitely this is something that you can opt for. In festive season, we really don't have time to build different shades of eyeshadows and create a makeup look when it comes to eyeshadow makeup look. So I would suggest something like this from Maybelline. This is the City Mini palette in the shade Rooftop Bronzes. Now this is again very beginners friendly, very affordable. What I really like about this palette is that because it has some bronze tones and some gold tones, so it can be very easy for anyone to create a makeup look with this. So you don't have to understand the color theory with this. You can start with the darkest one on the outer corner, then build a mediumish color on the center and the lightest one on the inner corner side, and that is it. So I think this is a great investment if you are a beginner, and the colors are pigmented. I don't think there is one single color in this palette that I might have complained about in the past. All the colors in this palette are pigmented. They work really well with the fingers or with the brush. Let's talk about the mascara now, because I think any makeup look is incomplete without that. But I feel that Maybelline has aced the game of manufacturing really good mascaras. The current one that I am actually loving is the Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. Now, this is great if you want something that will keep your lashes lifted throughout the day. It won't smudge, budge, anything. It is waterproof. And Maybelline has some other mascaras like Lash Sensational is there, Hyper Curl is there. Those are my favorite too, but this is the one that I'm loving currently. Any makeup look is incomplete if your brows are not filled. और मेरी काफ़ी sparse है तो मैं ये brow pencil इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. ETUDE हाउस का ये ब्राउ पेंसिल, ये बहुत ईजी है क्योंकि इसमें एक साइड स्पूली है और एक साइड आपका प्रोडक्ट है. The final step in a makeup look is a lipstick. So I'm giving you two options. These are the two lipsticks that I have selected. The first one is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Sensationally Me. The second one is Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade To The Fullest. Now this one is a nude lipstick and this is a red one, so you can pick two colors, one nude and one bright color or a red color, so that you can switch from day to night makeup look easily. You can just change your lip color. You don't have to remove your eyeshadow or change it. Just change the color of the shade of your lipstick, and that is it. I think you'll be good to go, and it will be very easy for you to create two makeup looks just by switching two lipstick colors. Also, if you guys are confused whether a particular shade will suit you or not, Amazon has this perfect virtual try on feature wherein you can just click a picture. I will highly recommend clicking the picture in natural light and then you can try on the shade. By this, I think it becomes easier to purchase a particular shade because then you know that this is how it is going to look on me. And these are the two final looks that I created using these makeup products. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys very soon. Bye.